What's up, guys? These are the 4 best bicep exercises for toning your biceps. Here's what you want to do. You want to use the barbell curls, you want to use the incline dumbbell curls, the standing cable curls, and then we're going to finish it off with some bands. So the first exercise is the barbell curl, the standing barbell curl. And the reason I use the barbell curl is because you can overload the weight, which is going to produce bigger muscles. Ready? Shoulder width apart, stand right here. Bend your knees slightly, keep your elbows in, up, pause, down. And you're gonna do around 10 to 12 reps for 4 sets. Stretch at the bottom, squeeze at the top. Okay, the next one is the incline dumbbell curls. Now guys, if you are swinging, cheating whenever you're curling, this is going to prevent that. Let me show you. If you're doing a bunch of this, number 1, you're going way too heavy. Number 2, get on the incline, put it out like this, back, and curl. There is no swinging. It's gonna prevent you from cheating. Quality reps, not quantity. I don't care how many you do. How many can you do right? Stretch. Once again, stretch at the bottom, squeeze at the top. Woo. All right, guys, the third exercise is cable curls, standing cable curls, which is right here. I decided to use the rope attachment. Now, if you're really trying to get those really deep muscle fibers, then I definitely recommend this exercise. So right here. Once again, your knees slightly bent, elbows in, curl. When you come up, you're going to press out. Down, squeeze. All the way down. Get that stretch at the bottom, squeeze at the top. If your last few reps aren't burning, guys, you need to go up in weight. So now this is the last exercise, and this is what I recommend each and every one of you to do, is go in and pick up some shedfat bands. They take your workout to the next level. They're gonna add some resistance that you've never had. And it's gonna break those muscle fibers down, because when your muscle fibers get broken down, they come back bigger and better and stronger. Now, the rule of thumb for me is when you start doing these, make sure when you come up, when you squeeze up, push your palm out, not in, out. And once it starts burning, add 10 more. I'm telling you, ever since I added bands to my workouts, I've seen striations in my body and my muscles that I've never seen. I've seen cuts in my muscles I've never seen at 33 years old. And that is it, guys. Those are the 4 exercises that I recommend to tone those biceps. See that sweat? That's real work. Listen, number 1, when I don't take my shedfat max, no BS, I don't sweat like this. Number 2, if I didn't take my shedfat max today, I wouldn't be able to get through this workout. Real talk. 1 in the morning, 1 right before you work out. It works. You guys know I don't BS you out. I don't have time for that.